I love the blood sausage. It's so good. The blood sausage is like a thing here. It's so good.
To eat your way through Tallinn will be such a joy. Here are just a few restaurants that we'd like to highlight. Right alongside the city's old walls is Lee, one of Tallinn's best restaurants bringing the best of Estonian farmers and producers. Lee's menu is the work of an entire community presented upon magnificent plates of dishes. Venison tahtak comes with green plums, rams and capers, seasonal oil, and egg yolk, while the pakla Arctic char is paired with marinated aubergine, crispy sushi rice, oat milk, and tom yum broth. Don't miss its classic dessert, kouke, which is accompanied by rhubarb, basil, black peppers, and meadowsweet.
This is a traditional Estonian dessert called kouke. It's basically cheese curd, but a very fancy version of it. Bon appetit!
Absolutely one of my favorites so far. I know it's only the beginning of the meal. Hear the crunch. Certainly one of the best meals in Tallinn can be devoured at Rado, situated in Old Town. Want to feel like you're eating food made by an Estonian grandmother? The daily changing menu showcases simple and local ingredients made with modern techniques like liver hearts, wild garlic risotto, and grandmother's herbal tea. This was definitely our #1 favorite meal. Right now, we're gonna have veal hearts as an appetizer at the Rado restaurant. I'm very much used to this kind of taste because growing up in Taiwan, we eat, all parts of animals. So hearts, intestines, I think it's not very foreign to sort of my palate. Sometimes it can be very savory, sometimes it's gamey, sometimes it's chewy. And this one is extremely well seasoned because it's got baba ganoush at the bottom as a spread. So we've got eggplant. On top of it, there's asparagus, there's radish. So good. This is the wild garlic risotto. Huge fan of garlic. I smell it already.
We are at Whisper Sisters. What's a speakeasy here? Make sure to reserve a table.
Whisper Sister is one of the hottest bars in Tallinn. Looking for its main entrance is not an easy task. The lively Prohibition-era speakeasy is named after women who manage these hushed establishments. The bar is romantically lit, making it a bit difficult to read its quirky menu. Cocktails are inventive and equally delicious. Despite being one of the bigger cocktail lounges in the city, it fills up fast, so make sure to make a reservation ahead of time. The Babylon Bar is a classic speakeasy, also with a hidden door. Push through a bookshelf and you'll enter a vibrant bar full of tasty whiskeys and craft cocktails. Babylon is known for its ultra-friendly service, as well as its beautiful and dangerously tasty cocktails.
I have arrived in Disneyland of Tallinn. We've got pepper schnapps, which is their infused herbal homemade liquor. This is their herbal Estonian beer.
Old Hansa is a throwback to the medieval times and it's best enjoyed with a group of family or friends. The entire restaurant celebrates the Hanseatic League, which is a medieval commercial and defensive confederation of the merchant guilds and markets in Northern and Central Europe. Expect gamey dishes on the menu such as elk, bear, and pheasant. Try the blood sausage. It's a fantastic choice if you dare. The drink menu features artisan options from the grandmasters: dark strong beer with herbs, dark honey beer, light cinnamon beer, light ginger beer, aged pepper schnapps, etc.
We're also trying their other sausages. This is their gamey sausage. There's horseradish. Horseradish is big here in the Baltics. Now trying the third kind of sausage. Calf sausage is the most skinny kind. And dip it in the sauce. I'm now at the sister bar of the Cynic Bar in Riga. This is Sigmund Freud in Tallinn.
Sigmund Freud bar's concept obviously derives from that Freudian issues leads to more drinking. The menu is inspired by comic book artwork, and the names of cocktails evidently stem from psychoanalysis. For a fun bar to kickstart your night, Sigmund Freud is the perfect option.
Here at the Telliskivi Creative Center, it's where a lot of young people are coming to have a drink at night instead of some of the cocktail bars that I've hit up in Old Town. Also here in this area, there's a lot of like tap rooms, distilleries, independent shops, cafes. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of street art. There's definitely like a very bohemian energy here. Gentrified, colorful, all that good stuff. I can't wait to check it out.
Telliskivi Creative City is a newly artistic center near the Balti Jaama Turg market and at the former Baltic Railway factory. The entire area, over 10 buildings, celebrates Tallinn's art world, which is displayed through art galleries, theaters, restaurants, and more than 30 shops, many of which showcase the works of local artisans and small entrepreneurs. Balti Jaama Turg is one of the best places to shop in Tallinn as it includes 300 vendors over 3 floors that cover both the interior and exterior spaces. At the entrance, there are several supermarkets, large halls for vegetables, the famous Estonian rye bread, cured meats, organic and natural products, and lots of dining options. Of course, I got myself some pelmenis, or delicious dumplings.
Dumplings make me so happy. It's all I want when I'm here, just eat these dumplings.
The chocolate brand in Estonia is Kalev with its wide selection of flavors and textures. Make sure to stock up on marzipans, which are confections made from sugar, honey, and ground almonds.
Pickled fish is a really big deal here. There's sprat, herring, and herring. And this is the rye bread.